guys, I think I'm live. Okay, it's Rhonda. So I just wanted to come on today because something's come up the past couple days, and I thought it would be really interesting. This isn't something that I planned on doing, but if some of you guys know, I've been mentoring some people in a program that I'm doing. And it's really funny because, hey, Holly, people are always like, it seems to be like they're intimidated, right? To come on live and do videos or even recorded videos or even just put a lot of pictures of themselves. So the one program I'm doing, it's all about branding yourself, right? So you want to brand yourself online. Obviously, you have to have pictures of yourself online. Hey, Joyce. And, be showing yourself, right? So everybody always thinks they have to be perfect, right? And they're very intimidated by it. So I'm here just to show you, and my husband's probably gonna kill me, but that's okay, because I'm gonna show you the mess that you really have. So now here I am, right? It looks like I'm nice. I have my tree and presents are in the background. Everything looks wonderful, right? But if you slide over here to the couch you can't see, you can see all the boxes that are laying there because this is where we're wrapping our presents, right? To get ready for Christmas. So everybody's working from home. So this has been crazy around here. So my husband actually took the loft area, which is where my office used to be, or where I used to work from home. So now he's up there. My one son is working from home too now for the month. So he's up in his bedroom, which is where I went after my husband started working from home. Hey, Tracy. Thanks, Rob. So anyways, so now I have gotten relegated down to the dining room table. So, which is fine. I don't mind. I have this nice big area. I love my chandelier that I put up here. So I get to see that, which I'll show you guys in a minute. However, this is where our mess is, especially right now. Hey, Deborah. Hey, Trina, because we're getting ready for the holidays, right? So we got boxes on the couch because this is our wrapping area. And if I can flip this camera around, I'm going to show you my mess, right? So you guys don't think you have to be perfect to come online. So, okay. So first of all, there's my beautiful light. I just love it. So I get to look at that every day. So that makes me happy. But here is my dining room table, which is my messy stuff. I have all my gift wrapping stuff here, my wrapping paper, all my bows. Like we have a mess over here because we're getting ready for Christmas, right? So the whole point of that is you don't have to be perfect. People don't expect you to be perfect, right? And I don't want people to think that because you're only seeing the best of people when they come online. Obviously, we all want to present ourselves, the best that we can, right? When we come online. But don't think that you have to have everything all together to show up, because you don't. All you have to do is go to an area that looks good and pretend that the whole house looks good. Or if you're outside, go outside to a nice, beautiful area, so I did remember it's Christmas and my Christmas decorations are up. Hey, Amy, nice to see you. But so that's the whole point. Like online, everybody is, presenting these things different. And, everybody thinks everybody is perfect and has everything all together. But trust me, nobody does. So just, get over that and do the best you can, if you're trying to present yourself online, and, figure out a way to make it seem like, everything's great. But don't think that you have to have everything perfect to show up online, because truly people just want to see you and they want to get to know you, especially this year, right? When everybody is just kind of craving connection, right? Because we're all quarantined inside our houses. So it's a great time to show up and just show yourself and be yourself, and people feel like they're connecting with you more, especially on video, whether it's live like this one or even if you do a recorded video, right? So, hey Thomas, thanks. So anyways, that has come up the past couple days with some people I've been mentoring. So I just wanted to come on here and share that really quick. I hope everybody, hey Diana, I hope everybody has a fabulous weekend. And I will be talking to you guys soon. Thanks for joining, everybody that joined. I really appreciate it. And if you're hopping on later, be sure to say hi. I'd love to say hi back to you. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a great Friday.